MTD Network this week, what's been going on? First of all, you're not going to say red, request a quote if you need any parts manufactured, and blue, if you want to join the network, get yourself access to those inquiries. So what's been going on this week? Well, like clockwork, there you go. NDT compliance, precision aircraft surface treatment, if you need any surface treatment doing. 40 years in the industry, our friend Albert from Acrona, we popped to his golf day, great day out. Medley Precision showcase what they do in 60 seconds, so watch that video. Rotec, great machine shop, loads of fantastic state-of-the-art machines and automation. So Halter Robots, have a look at that. And look at that, Subcon, little video we did at Subcon a few weeks ago, so watch that. What's trending this week? Well, we've seen already 40 years in industry, Medley, L&R Precision, great DMG Mori machine, a critical component. So have a look at that. So you've got a bit of spare capacity there. We've also got, let's have a quick look, Rend illuminating stuff. A 3D printed lampshade. Now, 150 quid, quite a bit for a lampshade, but if you want that premium stuff, get in contact with them. That's retail price, but they'll do you a deal. Anyway, that's it for this week. Quickly moving on, you're not going to say red button. Come on then, where's my editor? He's fouled me miserably. Red button if you need any parts manufactured, and blue button if you want to join the network. That's it this week. We'll see you soon.